Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Dodge Dart seats. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a socket wrench and a trim removal tool. We'll start by locating and removing the bolts that secure the front seats to the floor of your vehicle. Then, it's crucial to carefully disconnect any electrical connectors found underneath the seats. This process is straightforward if you follow each step carefully. Removing the front seats involves a few key steps. Begin by sliding the seats all the way forward to easily reach the rear mounting bolts. You'll typically find 4 main bolts securing each front seat to the floor. Once these are unbolted, gently tilt the seat backward. This allows you to safely disconnect any electrical wiring harnesses, which are often located beneath the seat cushion. Now, let's tackle the rear seats. Start by firmly pulling up on the front edge of the rear seat cushion. It should unclip from its retainers. Next, look for any bolts that might be securing the bottom of the rear seat back. After removing those, lift the entire rear seat back upwards. This action will detach it from the hooks that hold it in place, allowing for full removal. Safety is paramount when working on your vehicle. Always remember to disconnect your car's battery before handling any electrical components to prevent accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. Keep all removed bolts and parts organized and safe to ensure a smooth reinstallation process. Reversing these steps will put your seats back securely. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.